Fruit carving art. Fruits are beautiful in their own right, but when they're carved or simply arranged in a different way, they look exquisite. Carving fruit is a wonderful talent. Very often we come across these fruit art displays during marriage and festivals. Every year, competitions are held to encourage budding artists to display their imaginations in the form of fruit art. One doesn't feel like eating these beautiful fruits as they are so magnificently arranged and carved. Hope you like our collection of fruit art ideas. Please share them with your friends. It's fun to see your guests reach for their cameras when they see your carvings. It's fun to hear the oohs and ahs of admiration. But seeing people's reactions to your beautiful creations is only the icing on the cake. So many of my students report to me that they find fruit carving to be creatively satisfying. It's rewarding to turn a common piece of fruit into a work of edible art. When you are done, you can step back, look, and say to yourself, "Look what I've done." The gasps of awe you'll hear are just an extra bonus to the pleasure of fruit carving. The process of fruit carving can be like a meditation where you are relaxed but focused. While carving fruit, your worldly cares melt away. I've experienced this again and again. And I'm not alone. Many carvers have told me that they experience that same sort of meditative happiness while carving. On this website you will see hundreds, if not thousands, of types of fruit carving ideas that will inspire you, especially in my blog. If you want a free lesson showing how to make an impressive bouquet, sign up for the lesson above. If you are looking for comprehensive detailed step-by-step fruit carving instructions, check our premium lessons in our online shop. You will also see many carvers with many reasons for carving. Some like the challenge and camaraderie of joining competitions. I've even had student/customer report that she used fruit carving to keep her calm and busy indoors while in a war zone in Iraq. She wrote to me that they stayed inside because there was fighting going on between American soldiers and Al-Qaeda nearby. Fruit and vegetable carving is often used as decorations for weddings, bridal and baby showers, picnics, graduations, holidays, birthdays and other special occasions. Fruit carvings are often combined with natural greens and flowers to make elaborate and colorful displays. It's fun to add fruit and vegetable carving touches to your home or party. You can dress up your meal presentation by adding unexpected touches to your table setting, decorate buffet platters or use a fruit carving arrangement as a centerpiece. It's also fun to bring fruit carvings to potlucks or as a hostess gift. Beautiful fruit creations, even the simplest carvings, are almost always receive ohs, ahs, and compliments. You'll see what I mean when you begin making carvings yourself. Fruit and vegetable carving has spread around the globe. And there are countless home cooks, professional chefs, and hobbyists that enjoy it. The more I learn, the more I continue to be amazed at the variety and beauty. There are as many styles of fruit and vegetable carving as there are people who carve fruit. There are so many different styles and skill levels. The ideas are limitless, from simple garnishes to amazing large and detailed carving arrangements of all sorts of fruits.